The Truma Combi is a combination of a furnace to heat your air in your coach and the hot water heater. The control panel is located on top of the slider. It has two buttons, a return button and another button that is able to be depressed in the center and rotated. I'll depress the button. The top menu line shows a camper van for the heat in the air, water heat, energy source, and the fan. Since the camper is blinking, I'm choosing that. It's currently turned off. By rotating the dial, I have menu options of setting any temperature that I desire. I'm just going to choose 70. You have to depress the button again to make your selection. Now if I rotate the dial to the next icon, I can choose to heat some hot water. Again, I must choose the icon. It shows off. By rotating the dial, it gives me my menu. Echo would result in warm water, hot, a higher temperature water. If I choose boost, it will only heat the water but will not simultaneously heat the air in the camper. I'm going to go back and choose hot. Remember, I must hit the button one more time to make my selection. Now I'm rotating the dial to choose my energy source. The energy source has these options. Are gas, which is only LP. I could choose Mix 1, which uses LP and 850 watts of electric. Mix 2 is LP and 1700 watts of electric. Or I could do only electric, 850 watts, 1700 watts. I'm going to go ahead and choose the gas option. And now I know that I'm set. Up on top of the status bar, I have a flame, which means I've chosen to heat the air. The hot water is blinking because it hasn't reached its desired temperature yet. It will turn solid when it does. And I've clearly chosen LP as my energy source. In order to turn off the components, you need to go back and switch each one individually to the off position. You'll know that everything has been cleared when your status bar is empty and shows nothing on the top of it. The control panel will signify a caution warning if there's ever something wrong with the system. Simply scroll through till you get to the caution. Again, depress the button and it will supply an error code for you. Truma has provided a troubleshooting chart that lists error codes, causes, and remedies. Two of the most common error codes are 45, which indicates that there's no electricity getting to the Truma. In that case, you might want to check your shoreline. The other common error code is 212, which means that LP is not getting to the Truma. In that case, you may just want to double check and make sure that your LP switch is turned on.